Automatically protect your data from ransomware with Amazon FSx for NetApp ONTAP and BlueXP Workload Factory. Amazon FSx for NetApp ONTAP offers a feature called Autonomous Ransomware Protection, or ARP, which analyzes your data proactively for suspicious behavior, such as file encryption or deletion. When such behavior is detected, ARP automatically creates local copies of your data called snapshots and makes them immutable. This means they have read-only access and cannot be deleted for a predetermined period. Now let's see an easy way to enable autonomous ransomware protection on your FSx for ONTAP file systems by using BlueXP Workload Factory. In the Workload Factory console, go to Storage Inventory. Choose the file system you wish to protect and click Manage. Go to Autonomous Ransomware Protection and click on the pencil icon. In the pop-up window, toggle Enable Autonomous Ransomware Protection. Here you can read about the snapshot policy and retention period. Check the acknowledgement box and click Apply. ARP is now enabled on your file system. Automatically protect your data from ransomware with Amazon FSx for NetApp ONTAP and BlueXP Workload Factory.